Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately in Settings. Make sure you know your passcode and that iOS is up to date. First, go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode and authenticate. Once in, you can disable biometric unlock features. This prevents the phone from recognizing your face for unlocking and purchases. At the same time, open Settings Photos to reach people and face recognition controls. Do this now so you can change both device unlock behavior and photo-based facial grouping in the same session. Once authenticated in Face ID and Passcode, toggle off iPhone Unlock and any other features like iTunes and App Store, Wallet, and Autofill. If you prefer selective control, disable Face ID per app under Use Face ID so apps revert to passcode. Next, switch to Settings Photos and turn off face recognition or people suggestions to stop new face grouping. These changes stop future recognition while keeping current stored data until you explicitly remove it. So make sure to proceed to deletion if you want. Finish by removing any stored templates. In Face ID and Passcode, choose Reset Face ID to delete biometric data. Then open Photos, go to People, and remove person entries you don't want kept. If Photos syncs via iCloud, pause iCloud Photo Library or sign out to prevent re-upload. Restart your iPhone to ensure all toggles apply. If Face ID still activates, make sure no MDM profile enforces it. As a troubleshooting tip, check Settings, General Profiles for management profiles that can override these settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.